I make a slime with no tutorial. I have a 2 slime, not 2. It's 3. I 4. First, this is blue color, and I make with no activator. I like this. I rate that is 8 over 8. 10 over 8. It's so cool with my eyes. Your eyes. And next is yellow. So sticky like. And I have 24 pieces. Last green. This is cool. Na para bang nido. Joke lang.